Jeez, this bike is so aggressive. I really forgot how it is. It's been a while. Yeah, last time I rode this bike was during my meet. And guess what? We're doing another meet. You guys love these videos and you guys keep asking for more, so it's exactly what we're doing. Well, welcome back to the channel, you guys. Back on the H2. I actually forgot there's a missing bolt down there, and probably there's a little bracket that holds my belly pan, and it's probably just hanging loose. So hopefully it doesn't fly off, because if it does, that would be the second one that would have flown off. So yeah. I had to. So yeah, I was saying that we are actually taking the Ninja H2 to crash the Tesla meet. I forgot about this meet that was going on. The weather is nice out, so I wanted to ride. And my friend just told me, hey, are you coming? And I was like, no, I totally forgot about that meet. Because if you guys don't know, I have a Tesla too. So I was supposed to go there, but I totally forgot about that. Now we're taking the Ninja H2 to a Tesla meet. I think it's gonna be funny just because it's a Tesla. You know, it's like eco-friendly, silent vehicles, and I'm thinking a Ninja H2, which is obnoxious, super loud and fast motorcycle, to a little Tesla meet. They're actually doing a ride, but I'm not gonna be going on that, so we're just gonna go there, hang out for a little bit, and then right back. I just hope that belly piece or whatever in the bottom doesn't go flying anywhere. Look at these views. Yeah, hopefully we'll also catch it in time, because it's like 3:24 right now, and they leave to that ride at like 3:30, so hopefully we make it in time. Oh, by the way, let me know in the comments what you guys think about the new helmet audio. I think the audio itself is slightly better, but this helmet does leak more air, especially going faster speeds. Like right now, it probably doesn't sound the best for you guys because there's so much wind noise. So let me know in the comments if it's good, or if I should just go back to using my AGV, because most of the time we're going to be doing like higher speeds. I haven't fixed the clutch of the H2 yet. I do need to get clutch plates and all that, but if you guys haven't seen from my last few videos, I've been very kind of like occupied with the V4, putting on the new parts I'm getting for it and fixing it. And I also need to take a R1M for some, you know, fluids. So I haven't really had a chance to get on the H2. Whoa, like really windy. Oh, I have an idea. Maybe I'll go stop by like some hardware store and get like find a bolt that matches what I'm looking for the H2, so I can fix that on the way back, assuming it's still gonna be there. It's a very interesting like belly piece, because it's, let me show you guys, it's this piece right here. Oh, I see it's still hanging there, barely. So if you guys can see how it's shaking, it's because there's a rod in between this and the one on the other side, and the bolt flew off of one of the sides. I've had that rod like fly off before, got another one, and it's just annoying because it's held on by 3 bolts on each side, but that rod is what kind of like keeps the 2 carbon fiber pieces stable, and I don't want the carbon pieces to get destroyed. So that's mainly why I want to get that fixed. And also, it's probably dangerous if that rod goes flying somewhere. It's 3:32, we're almost here, so hopefully we didn't miss out and they didn't leave, or this would have been a big fail. I just bought these jeans and I ripped them again because, yeah, some people start commenting about my ripped jeans. Yo, my knee is still messed up from my accident, and having fabric on it really hurts. Wait, all the Teslas are leaving. Dang it. We did not get no reactions. Yep, they're already leaving. I tried. What's up? I wanted to see some reactions to the H2, but oh well.
Damn, is that a H2?
Maybe.
What year is that?
It's 1997. Yeah.
That's pretty old.
Do you see this? I keep ripping it. It's hurting. That way. It's super close. So it's super close. It's that way. Just follow me. Alright, well, we're not going on the actual Tesla drive. They're going somewhere to meet with more Teslas, but it's like 40 minutes out. So we're just gonna go do our little thing. And you guys did want some H2 content, so here I am trying to get some H2 content for you guys. Oh, Home Depot is right here. That's perfect. I can go find bolts and stuff like that. Oh, I'll have to buy tools too for it. Oh, that's nice. Yeah, I'm turning it back that way. I think that's good enough. There's a cop right there, so I don't want to test the limits. I'm pretty sure he can hear me from like a mile away. We'll stop it for a sec. So the problem with the second one, I wanted to do another flyby. There's a cop that went into the McDonald's right there. When I went flying straight that way, I saw him, and that's why I broke so hard, because I like tried to stay far, and then I just popped a U-turn. I was like, yeah, no. We'll try one more time. I don't want to do no more flybys just because of the cop over there. We're not trying to be too obnoxious, you know. And the cop is right behind me, so I can't do anything. So I'm just gonna pull in right here. Literally trying to avoid the cop, and he would have been right behind me. Yeah, let me give it a second, then we'll go. Damn, today is like a lot of fails. I'm pretty sure he heard the sound, because I doubt he got food that quick. Or maybe he did, I don't know. McDonald's is right there.
Yeah, we're done here. Home Depot is right here. Follow me. Alright, now I gotta back up from here with a million cars coming in. Gotta get some Instagram shots, you know, since the YouTube video kind of failed. I mean, I hope you guys will still enjoy this like random shenanigans of riding the H2. I mean, I'm sure the H2 sounds really cool in that tunnel. Alright, it is pretty windy. It's weird. Well, this is pretty much it for the YouTube video. Thank you guys so much for watching. Catch you guys in the next one. Peace out and ride safe. You guys won't believe what just happened. So, back and forth a few times trying to find this piece. It's a very specific like thread and length and all that it was a pain in the butt pretty much to find the correct one. First time I bought like 3 different sizes and shapes. I got it right from the first time, but the threading was like different, so technically it didn't work. And I also brought like little tools because I don't have any in the car on me. So I bought some tools, got some red thread lock, so permanent, so that shit doesn't come off unless I really wanted it off. And I left the tools here to go run back and get the correct size. I just took off the whole bracket right here just so I can figure it out. And I come back and they tell my girlfriend and my friend, they told me that apparently there was a little kid that came to check out my bike. And I'm like, okay, well, that's fine as long as he didn't, you know, do anything to the bike. But then I realized that my tool is gone. And literally no one else came around here besides him apparently, so I just got jacked by a little kid. He stole my new tools that I just bought, so I had to go back in there again to buy more tools. Came back out. It's not the best fit, as you guys can see it. It's not like fully in yet. I just have the right tools at home, so figured, you know what, whatever, we're just gonna figure it out at home. But it should hold for now. But yeah, I just wanted to include that in the story because, I mean, come on, I literally got jacked by a little kid apparently that checked out my bike and took my tools. And now it is sunset time, and we're just gonna do a little ride, get some cool shots for the gram, and yeah, that's it.